Thanks for tuning in to Snake River Rifle Works. On another episode, we're taking a look at the Skat Blast 16 by 36, and I got the lighting set up. So we're going to take a few different lighting scenarios, looking at one light, the other light, two lights, and then also running the 45-inch LED light. I found it to be just a little bit yellower than the LED floodlights that are provided now versus the older floodlight. So we'll go ahead and get into that. Okay, so let's go ahead and flip the switch here. So this is just one light. See how it looks like from this area. Looks pretty nice. So we'll go ahead and pause the video. And now we'll turn on the other light so you can see how both lights light up the 1636. So it's a sandblasting cabinet that's 72 inches in work area by 31.5 by 34 inches high. And you can really, has a lot of volume in there. So here we'll get the 45-inch LED lit up. Hang on a moment. So I just plugged it in to turn it on here. So you can definitely tell it's lit up more in here. You can see the reflection off the LED floodlight housing, that it's a little more yellow compared to the reflection of the floodlight, of the LED floodlight. And so what we'll do is we'll go ahead and open up this one side, and to get a little, so you can even tell the reflection is a little more yellow compared to the LED floodlight. So we're gonna just kind of creep in. The light doesn't exactly, when you kind of look at it, doesn't do it that much justice. But then due to the curvature here, we might be able to get more light if we move it over to the side. Another thing I wanted to talk about, we'll probably do another video, a short brief video on it, is the installation of this LED floodlight, because I ran it out the side and then made a special, what would you call it, a gasket to make room up top out of it, of a rubber gasket. So instead of drilling a hole into the sheet metal, or the thicker 11 gauge metal, I just decided to do that route. I didn't feel like putting any holes in a brand new expensive 1636 Skat Blast cabinet. I thought about going through the the 4-inch box that's provided, and I looked at a few different options, and yeah, I decided sometimes easier is a little bit better. I had a little bit of rubber gasket. Yeah, so we'll touch on that in another video. But thanks for looking at the lighting options. Definitely quite bright in here for sure. Thanks for tuning in to Snake River Rifle Works.